welcome to the QMS Private Limited here at MSME International Forum, MSME Development Forum, 8th International Development Forum at Pragati Maidan. So here we are giving services to EQMS towards quality and management. So when we say quality and management, so there are various services which is the need of industries and corporate towards performance management, performance improvement, defect removal, defect identification. So to enhance a company growth, we do require consultancy services. So EQMS is imparting all these services to industries, corporate, factories, firms, institutions, professionals. So this is all about EQMS Private Limited. We are also giving legal consultancy services. This startup development services, right? Institutional building services under EQMS Private Limited. And this is our partner company, Marwari Mail. Marwari Mail is fortnightly news agency. And we can cover some of the very good stalls over here at this forum, where where there are available a good number of stalls.
So in another 5 minutes, we will start the session on technology, innovation and smart funding at 8 p.m. International MSME Startup Expo 2022. So be there in the summit hall in 5
We can cover over here other stalls as well.
On technology, innovation and smart funding. And सभी exhibitors की announcement है 3 बजे at Summit Hall. At the very end session, we will be giving the participation certificates. यहाँ आपको participation certificates देंगे और best stall, most visited stall की announcement और ऐसे कुछ और items की announcement हम वहाँ पे करेंगे. So be there at 3 p.m. at the Summit Hall. And right now we are starting off with the session. In the next few minutes, so be there at the Summit Hall. We have an amazing session on technology, innovation and smart funding.
Our main center over here, MSME Development Forum, so which is the primary developing body for this platform, MSME Development Forum. So MSME Development Forum is one of the platform which do provide it's a B2B platform for industries and MSME. So MSME Development Forum covers n number of industries. So every industry do comes under this area, MSME Development Forum, and this is a body which is organizing all these services related to promotions, branding, B2B development for various types of industries, which can be member of MSME Development Forum, right? So this is a very nice platform for organizational growth, industrial growth, where industries are contributing too much, like near to 25 to 30% in country building, country's growth and development. So we do welcome all the industries in coming times to be part of MSME Development Forum and be part of this MSME Development Forum and avail the membership. And if you do have that membership of MSME Development Forum, there is a huge chance towards growth and development. Various beneficiaries are being available through MSME Development Forum. It's a nice platform. And startups, it's a very scope-oriented area. So when we say scope-oriented area, so there are numerous growth opportunities, tie-up opportunities, business opportunities,
job provider,
Institute
of
well.
Seeker.
Yeah. So n number of facilities, beneficiaries are available.
The only platform
Yeah, the only nice
for the
platform.
new entrepreneur
Yeah.
and for the energetic people. who dare to go ahead.